Everyone, Extreme Crypto here. Ever wondered when to buy or sell your crypto? Well, today we'll be looking at Near Protocol. In this video, we'll look at where to buy and sell Near Protocol. We'll look what it's all about, and we'll look at some key levels. These levels is calculated on my own calculation using the stock to flow model as an indication. We've seen in the past when Bitcoin moves, crypto moves. When Bitcoin falls, crypto falls. So I came up with a formula to use the stock to flow to give me an indication of what certain coins might do. So where to trade Near? On Bitscap, an all-in-one trading automation platform for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies like the Near Protocol. These crypto trading bots, smart algorithmic orders, portfolio demo trading, everything you need to easily manage your assets within one interface. And the best part about Bitscap is it uses API keys, so your funds stays in your own exchange while you're using it. Crypto trading bot for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies like the Near Protocol. Set automated trading bots on Binance, Bitfinex, Kraken, and over 25 other cryptocurrencies exchanges. So back to Near Protocol. Reimagine your world through simple, secure, and scalable technology. Near empowers millions to invent and explore new experiences. Business, creativity, and community are being reimagined for a more sustainable and inclusive future. Foundation for creation. The creator economy requires robust infrastructure, including a set of intuitive developer tools and an engaged, decentralized community. Solutions for scaling. Near is eliminating the barriers to Web3 adoption with high speeds, low fees, and progressive UX. Near climate neutral blockchain is ready to explode and grow. For a multi-chain future, Near runs in concert with Ethereum, Polkadot, Cosmos, and more, allowing for the free flow of assets and communication between networks for the betterment of all. Create an account and choose a path. The best way to stake your claim in the Nearverse is by creating an account or wallet, then choose the first step in your journey, build. Build decentralized apps on a developer-friendly platform that features low fees, high speeds, and infinity scalability. Grow. Start up or grow up on a platform that sets you up for success. Investors, partners, and users are waiting. Belong. When you find your purpose, you find your people. Pick a wallet, create an account, and start contributing today. The platform. What is Near? A collective, a consisting of an ever-expanding network of thousands of community members around the world. A foundation, exciting for the purpose of fostering ecosystem development through grant funding. A blockchain. Near is a development platform built on a shared proof-of-stake layer 1 blockchain designed for usability. Why built on Near? Sustainability. Our efficient POS network was also certified as carbon neutral in February 2021 by Self-Bull. Cost effective. 1,000 times lower transaction fees for users and developers and 50% of transaction fees. Secure. A thriving ecosystem of validators maintains network integrity. Friendly human readable account names follow a scope DNS naming pattern. Harmonious EVM and Rainbow Bridge were developed for interoperability among chains. Pragmatic contracts are written using expressive, community-supported general-purpose language, Rust and assembly script. So let's go to CoinGecko and see how the Near protocol is doing and where it's currently ranked. As we go down market cap, we can see Near protocol is ranked 20th according to market cap. with a 24-hour trading volume of $950 million, with a market cap of $9.5 billion. Looking at Near's current price, it's currently standing on $14.55, with a total supply of 1 billion and a circulating supply of 662 million tokens. Looking at the all-time chart since Near Protocol has been added to CoinGecko, we can see it started on 81 cents, let's say $1 more or less. And since then, it's reached an all-time high of $20.44 just 2 months ago, all-time low of 52 cents. And since then, it's been up 2,633% total. Let's go to the charts and see what is decent price levels for the Near Protocol. Looking at sell opportunities, $71.91. That's about a 5x from the current price. A $59.37, $40.93, $36.31, $27.36, $21.90, $18. Looking at this, 6 of these sell levels will be new all-time highs. Looking at the buying opportunities, from the current price of $14 all the way down to $4.90, it gives great buy opportunities to get into the market. Will the coin ever drop back down there? We'll never know. But I'll have an order down there just for in case we get a flash drop. Leave me your thoughts and concerns, and which levels do you think the Near Protocol will reach? Have a great one.